The Amazing Thailand Marathon in Bangkok is one of the biggest races in all of Thailand. This year, there were over 35,000 runners, as well as the world-famous marathon runner, Eliud Kipchoge. Come with me as I run my second 10K ever.
Amazing Thailand Marathon, December 1st.
Good morning. It is like 4:30 in the morning on race day. As you can see, pitch black outside. And I need to head over to where the race starts. So the MRT has opened early today for the race. So I'm gonna jump on that and hopefully I get myself there. There's more runners coming. Oh my god, literally everyone on the train is a runner. This is so funny.
That was the funniest MRT ride I've ever been on. Literally, I don't think there was a single person that isn't running. We're leaving the Sanam Chai MRT station right now. I don't really know where I'm going, but it's impossible to get lost because you just follow everyone.
Still pitch black outside. Race starts in exactly 20 minutes. No idea where I'm going, but there's so many people, so we're all just walking. People are running before the race has even started to get to the start of the race. It's crazy. I still don't see the race, but the Grand Palace looks amazing. I think it is right here, hopefully. Well, the bus and tuk-tuk transportation to leave. There's a cool one. That's pretty cool. And jump in there after. But we still haven't found the start line. Alright, start line. But here's A and I'm in block D, so I gotta go way back. Oh, are you ready? I gotta go way back here to where I see a D, which is far. Oh my god, I'm only at B. I don't see a D. There's people finishing the marathon and the half marathon. Oh, it's cute. Toyota's running and picking up trash.
They closed the gates, so I'm kind of like up in the front, and it's scary. I think this is Eliud Kipchoge getting ready to start. We're finally going at 6:15.
In about 5 minutes, we'll start for you. We apologize for the delay. 3, 2, 1, go!
We're so fast already. Not this fast. Jeez, you're gonna get knocked over in this. There's all these like pacing umbrellas too, which is really cool. So right now, I'm falling behind 55. That would be amazing if I could do that, but I don't think I can. Not at all. So cool. Got some bananas running. This guy, I don't know what he set up like. Aladdin. All the half marathoners and marathoners going the other way. Whew. First water toilet station. Next one in 3.5 kilometers. Missed a little water and spray. We got all the 10K coming toward us, the marathon in the middle. We're all 10K in the sunrise. I'm sweating. All the armies here. Aw, cute. We fell back to 1 hour and I'm dying. A third of the way through. Ooh, 45-minute people are killing it. Water. Water. Ooh. Ooh. Need my hand. I think we're like about halfway. Only 5 more to go. Oh, maybe the flags are exactly halfway. We'll see. Oh.
Don't give up, don't give up.
Aww. She's so cute. She's cheering for all the ties. And I ran mine. She said, don't give up, don't give up. So cute. Yeah, there's tons of people still on the other side doing the 10K, but they're just like walking and taking it super chill. So you don't have to kill yourself running to still do it. Oh, watermelon, bananas, ice cream. Nice. Jelly, there's a bunch of snacks. Huh. More water, more spraying. I don't know what that is. Oh, like wet sponges. That's cool. I think we're only like 6.5 maybe. And I'm roughing it. This is why you got up so early. Seriously. To die. Alright, we've been running now for 50 minutes. 50. So I'm hoping only a little more than 10 more minutes. Hopefully. Kilometer 8. There's a band. We got some motivation. Only 2 more. Need to go faster. Oh, it's kids. That's cute. Oh, I'm here. I guess the last 2 kilometers is hype. This guy has no shoes. It's crazy. Aw, there's the 1 hour. I'm so close, but not breaking an hour. Damn. Kilometer 9. I think. No, it's a checkpoint. Hopefully we're more than 9. I want to do 1 more. Final stretch. Woo! So let's keep going. I have to turn here. And I think like 2 more minutes, I hope. Oh, so close. You got all the flags and music. I expected. And I didn't walk the whole time, which was my goal. So I'm happy. Oh, I need a drink. I want my medal. Oh my God. Like my left ankle hurts. I have a blister on my right toe. Oh God. Where? Water, toilet. They don't put them around your neck. 2 years ago they like gave them to us, but today it's just in a bag. Did it. Amazing Thailand Marathon, December 1st. Finished 10K. Woohoo. So many. Nice. Now I need water and a lot of stuff. There's so many people watching now. Oh, God. Everyone's still finishing. We also got a bento box, sweets and ice cream and water. Yeah, so here at the end, there's like a bunch of stuff going on. I don't know, there's cars over there, there's some Nike store here. Place to take a picture, food. I'm trying to find a toilet and I'm failing and I did not pee the whole time. I really need to find one. But I don't know. I'm literally just wandering out aimlessly. I have no idea what's happening. Like, I want to sit down, I want to eat something. I kind of just want to go home and do all of that. But I can't figure out how to get to the MRT because everything's blocked off. So, yeah, I need to get home, eat, chill, shower, and then go meet my friends to celebrate.